Hi, I'm Joe Gonzalez. I'm the co-founder of Huddln. Huddln is a platform for creators and their audiences to connect and share the stories behind their NFTs. First, we're actually going to start with our grand vision. What we're noticing today is that protocols are currently being forced to develop their own dApps just to connect users to their services, and everyone's really starting from scratch. What we're witnessing right now is a user base issue that nobody's really talking about yet. Huddln's vision is to solve this by becoming the consumer application layer of Web3, where users can bring and create NFT-backed content, essentially becoming a content metaverse. And where all these different DeFi, NFT, cross-chain protocols are now just features of one platform where there's a plethora of users. But to achieve this vision, first we are developing a product that people want to use today. So we spent hundreds of hours with different artists and creators trying to dissect what their biggest pain points in the NFT space are today. Some of these artists are in the top 50 sellers on OpenSea. And do you know where NFT creators are spending most of their time? You would think that it's creating their work, but it's actually promoting. Creators are promoting their work by narrating the journey behind their collections. They share their experiences, their stories behind these amazing collections, but they're not really capturing it. Right now, creators are bouncing around, retelling their stories over and over again, and it's really a content and distribution problem. We're focusing on tackling the content component first. So we developed a platform that connects you to your audience and lets you include the behind the scenes content. Everything you post on Huddln becomes an NFT and is tied to your collection. So it travels with your collection in the metaverse, which ultimately helps in distribution as well. We are one of the first NFT social platforms available on the App Store. Not only that, we are the best NFT social platform for mobile. We have the cleanest UI. We have one of the simplest UXs. Everything is gasless. You don't even need to know what NFTs are. You don't need to know what blockchain is in order to use our platform. We're actually going to go into a quick little demo to show off a little bit. Here we go. So what you're looking at right now is what we call our social feed, which is a feed of all these different NFTs that are being minted on our platform. Any user can pop open the camera, start recording themselves, record something else, and use it just as if they would use TikTok or Instagram. But in the end process, it becomes an NFT. You can also tip other users to show your appreciation. And we just launched this sales feature so you can sell your stories now as well behind your collections. So from there, I actually want to talk about the team as well. So there's some history behind this stuff. Me and my wife founded Huddln in 2019 as a part-time project. It actually started off as a crypto meetup app. But when we were building it, we quickly realized we needed like a social layer, social component to help people discover new events and to get connected with people. And at that point, we realized there was no really good native Web3 platform to create this social graph with. And at that time, that's when we decided to pivot and actually try to become that Web3 social layer for other protocols and other platforms that want to distribute content, that want to plug in to an existing user base. Along the way, we built our team. Ash has been in the blockchain space since 2013, super rock star. Steven's actually a co-founder of Munchcoin, another crypto startup. And Joseph Vargas is our community lead. He has tons of experience rallying efforts and building communities. Once our platform went live, our community members started providing us with tons of feedback of different improvements and features that they wanted. And we released about 7 or 8 different updates from July to August, all based on the feedback that we've been receiving from our community. This has given us some early traction, but we're still in the early days. So our business model is pretty simple. Huddln is successful when our users are successful. We have multiple avenues of income. Firstly, our marketplace will generate transactions. We're also looking to social tokens, protocol governance, and just having strong ties with different protocols. Our target market is pretty obvious. It's NFT creatives that want to capture and share the stories around their collections. We think that this group has the smallest learning curve. It has the most motivation to create content around their artwork and around their creations. It's also the community that we have the closest tie to and that we're building this product for, so it makes sense. So here's our roadmap. This is for a 12 to 18 month roadmap, and it's split up in different phases. Our first phase is really launching our storytelling features and our marketplace integrations. So we've proven we can get to market, and we know where our beachhead lies, and we know the steps we need to take to reach a broader vision. We're already on this journey, and we're looking forward to seeing what stories you will tell in your next drop. Thanks.